everybody, and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing my March 2023 ice cream beauty box. It literally just arrived. I was super excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta jump on here and unbox it with my friends. If you like my look, oh my gosh, y'all, Folklore sent over a bunch of their new products, so I'm going to be doing, well actually obviously I did it, a video with them on these new products. I've had this look on for a hot minute, and you guys, everything is wearing beautifully, so stay tuned for that. And I have a little giveaway, so I have to edit it, and it's a sponsorship video, so I do have to get it approved. So I appreciate all the support possible, so thank you guys very bunches on that. Anyways, I have a video that I'll probably be uploading tomorrow where I'm talking about my freaking adorable birdhouse that I got from Walmart. If you guys don't know, I love Pioneer Woman everything. So like a lot of my kitchen decor is Pioneer Woman. My plates, my bowls, everything is Pioneer Woman. Well, they have this on sale right now at Walmart for $7.17. Do I have another one in my cart because it's so adorable? Like, it unlocks and then it slides over. You put the bird seed in there. It's so cute. I'll have it linked down below. It's got a little chain, and I'm like, oh. So I'm thinking I need like one in the front, one in the backyard, you know. And anyways, anybody else? I don't know. So anyways, check my description box. It'll be down below. The Folklore video will probably coming, I don't know, in the next week or so. And like I said, I'm gonna make that a giveaway as well, an international giveaway. So might as well stick around, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Right? So anywho, if you are new here, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Turns out I move a lot ever since I got my watch back on. It's like, dang girl, do you want to sit down? You know how your like watch normally is like time to stand up? Mine's like, you want to sit down? No, just anyways. So anyways, friends, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I definitely appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls. Over there I had done a Ratera haul. That's where my top is from. I'll try to remember to link it down below for you guys as well. And of course, Hotmess in the Kitchen, where I'm very much not consistent, but well, that's all I got. Let's jump into this box. A little information though, I should probably tell you as I'm doing this. Ice Cream Beauty Box is a very makeup heavy box. So for those of you who want more makeup than skincare, jump on over to Ice Cream Beauty Box. It is a monthly subscription. It is themed. It's so flipping cute, and it's very affordable as well. So the Ice Cream Beauty Box is going to cost you, I do believe it's like $25. You can also shop on their website as well, which is always nice. So the monthly subscription box is $25, and code HOTMESS is gonna save you 10% off your first box. They do offer the Ice Cream Beauty bag, but I don't know anything about that one. So anyways, this is the month box, and it is themed Lucky to Have You. And I always find Ice Cream Beauty Box nice because sometimes they offer like brands that I've just never heard of before, and you are always going to receive an eyeshadow palette in here. And I think one of you all told me, because this is sent to me in PR. All right, so the first thing I see in here, Saints, Angels, and Sinners Cosmetics, and it's called the Yummy palette. I love the colors. Obviously, it matches my top. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is it with greens? I freaking love greens. Like this sugar pie, I love it. Ooh, pour some sugar, pour some sugar on me. I love those colors, and I feel like if I had to pick three, let's go with Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll, more than candy, sweet and gold. Let me see you Tootsie Roll to the left, to the. Okay. So fun fact, I don't hear properly. Meaning, words and songs that most people hear, that the lyrics, whatever it's called, I make up my own. So, the other night, my husband and I were laying in bed and we were talking about something, and I was like, it's a hard not life for me. It's a hard not life for us. But I made it for me. Whatever. You guys know the song, right? Sugar 44 mother trucking years, I have sung that song as it's a hard not life for us. It's a hard not life for, okay, all right. And he's like, what did you just say? And I repeated it. 17-year-old walks out of the room because, you know, I was a struggling single mom. Back 2007, 2008, 2009, like times were rough. So that was my song. That and an Elvis Presley song. So I would sing that song. Anywho, I digress. So I asked my 17-year-old to sing this song. I said, you know that song that I would sing to y'all, It's a Hard, and they continued with Not Life for Us, and my husband lost it. He's like, it's a hard knock life. And I'm like, what? Yes. So anyways, when I'm singing you that Tootsie Roll song and every other song, there's a good chance the lyrics were incorrect. And I passed that from generation to generation. So anyways, all that to say, this palette is gorgeous. And last month, I want to say it was kind of more of like a neutrally, I can't remember, but I just know, or romantic-y. And all I know is I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, and they did a great job curating it. So anyways, little information on this palette. It does have a retail value of $48, and it's the first ever collab palette with our friends at St. Angels and Centers. This palette contains 4 multi-chrome shadows in the top row. It also contains 4 beautifully highly pigmented shimmer shades and 4 matte shades that are buildable but are mainly designed for an easy blending. I love that. And it's an Eyescream Beauty Box exclusive. I have to touch Sugar. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking nice. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, look, so pretty. Oh, this whole top row. Ooh, okay. I'm so happy with this. These are beautiful. Okay, good job. We like a dance. Look at this. Do you see that? You get all of these matte lip. This is amazing. And I feel like I have so many. I want to gift this to you guys. So get an up close look. You can see the colors are great. You got some neutrals, I think, in there. Maybe some deeper berry tones. Some deeper shades. I think this is a good mix of lippies here. This is from Kevin and Coco. And this has a retail value of watermelon scented. I love watermelon. Oh my. I am gonna give it to you guys. I have enough stuff. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you guys. It's a little bit of Green for Luck. While we didn't include any green lipsticks in this box, we are still giving you some fun colors to try with this lip set. They are dry down matte, and we recommend chapstick or lip balm be applied first if you tend to have dry lips. Another thing that I would suggest too, if you have drier lips, do what they said, but put a lip gloss on top. I find if I put lip glosses on top of my mattes, my lips don't get as dry. So this is freaking adorable, super cute, and will be found in a future giveaway because I want to share. Next in here we have the Bella Pierre Liquid Gold Platinum. What is this? $25. Several of you expressed that you wanted liquid highlighters without a dropper for easier application. We heard you. This highlighter can be applied straight on a brush, then applied to your face for an easy application. All right, Eyescream Beauty Box. I really appreciate that you are listening to your people. So, ooh, oh, it just right on out. It was ready to go. Okay, the color. Oh, you're gonna love it. So do you guys see that? That is beautiful. It's a soft color. Okay, so tip, yes, it would be beautiful up through here. Okay, however, I do this with my Ofra Cosmetics. I do this with a lot of my highlighter products. I use this, like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter thingy. put that on, put your foundation on top, because I can already tell it's a lightweight type of product and it's gonna look really, really pretty with foundation over top of it. Plus the color is a really pretty kind of neutral color, which I think again was really smart that they went with. So definitely you could try it, you know, multitask your product. Try it the way it says, but then also I'm gonna try it the way I do my Charlotte Tilbury. Next in here we've got the Queen. Is this a bone? I think maybe. Oh no, it's a mascara, right? Wait, I don't want to open it. I think it's a mascara. It is the Queen Studios, retail value of $16. Sorry, this had a $25 retail value. Easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula, stays in place, and this is actually a brow gel, but it's clear. It is a clear brow gel, and I have enough clear ones, so I am going to pass this one to you guys. So I'm trying to think. Here's a thought. Never mind. I was gonna say, you could, even though it's clear, you guys could take a brown shadow from here, but there's not a brown shadow in here, and you could like do your brows with it as well. But anywho, I will be gifting that to you guys. And then, ooh, what is this? This is by, oh, it's a makeup base eyeshadow primer by Bella Pierre, $19 retail value. It's an eyeshadow primer that will take your eyeshadow game to the next level. Get even more pigment with your eyeshadows. Okay, so I like the color of this. Do you guys see that? I really like, it's kind of like a nice, it's gonna give you a nice clean base. And I think that this box, that's everything in here. You know, I think they really thought this through really well. I mean, you're getting a great amount of good products. I love that they did this eyeshadow palette. I mean, strictly for Eyescream Beauty Box. The color, I mean, I don't know what it is, but my brain isn't short-circuiting over this color story. I don't know. I think this sugar pie color just has me so excited. But, and these duos, the shifty shades are just so beautiful. So we're definitely going to play around with that. And I think overall, I think this was a really good box, guys. What do you think? Definitely let your girl know down below. Thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this over my way. I think you guys did an excellent job curating this. And I mean, I think everything makes sense. And I think that is something that a lot of us that have been purchasing subscription boxes for a while, that's what we want. We want our subscription to make sense, not that things were just afterthoughts and chucked in. So Eyescream Beauty Box, round of applause to you. Round of applause to you. I think you did excellent. Oh my gosh, everything is like, every notification keeps bling ding ding and I'm like, stop it. Anyways, friends, that is all for today's video. If you made it to the end of today's video, thank you all bunches. I greatly appreciate it. If you love birdie houses, you might want to pick this one up. The only complaint that I have, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like straight wood. So I feel like with no wax, or I don't know what that would be called, gloss glaze or something, and I'm assuming to keep it safe for the birds is why it's not. So you're gonna probably have to be careful with the weathering of it, but it's $7.17. That's a heck of a deal. So anyways, I love it. I'm picking up another one because she gorgeous. That'll be linked down below. Of course, I'll have a link to the Eyescream Beauty Box if you guys want to pick that up as well. Code HOTMESS will save you 10% on your first box. Thank you if you decide to use that coupon code. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that, but it does let Eyescream Beauty Box know that I did send you over there. So I do greatly appreciate it because, you know, it at least lets them know that, hey, we sent this girl PR and she did send people our way. Worked out for both of us, you know what I mean? Anyways, shout out once again to my YouTube members. Thank you guys bunches and bunches for everything. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the kitchen. I'm getting ready to do a Thrive Market haul. My kid was like, Mom, where's my favoriteest chips? Where are my favorite chips? When's your Thrive order coming? I'm like, baby child, my kids will literally go through those avocado chips. And I know some of y'all picked them up based off my kids' recommendations. So I hope you love them as much as they do, because holy crap, I had to get like 8 bags this time. So anyways, definitely make sure to follow me on Hot Mess in the Kitchen, because eventually once I film it and edit it, that video unboxing will be going up over there, and a Temu unboxing. I got 2 orders in. There's some more coming. Shh. But I'm telling you all, I'm gonna do some DIY projects with the things I'm picking up at Temu. If you wanna sign up and get 30% off your first Temu order, I'll have a link down below for you all. I'm on that app a little too much. Okay, I'm rambling. I'll talk to y'all later. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. What is that? What is that? It's like an arm workout. I think I'm just happy that I can move my arm that much now. I broke my collarbone in July, so we're making strides.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong.